Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can add beautiful background in your text in Canva application very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Canva application and after that you have to click on text and after that click on add a heading. And here I have to add my text. For example, I want to add outline text and after that you have to adjust the size of your text according to your choice. After that click on text and scroll to the right and here in the effects option click on effects and scroll to the right and at the end you will see background option. So here you can see background option, click on it and you can see background in the text has been added. So to adjust the text click on 3 lines and from here you can change the roundness of the background. For example, I can change the roundness of background like this. To make it more clear, I will change the color of this background from here. So click on green or something else red, okay, and click on back arrow. After that click on roundness. You can see roundness of the background is changing when I move this dot into left or right. And similarly you can change the separate option. You can see its separate option working properly. So you can make it more separate or less separate according to your option. So from here you can change the transparency of the background. Okay, you can see transparency of the background is reduced very easily when we move from right to left, but if I move from left to right then transparency of the text is decreased. Okay, and from here you can change the color of the background. So guys, in this way you can add a beautiful background in your text. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.